Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the new FPS counter or the new overlay here on Steam. All right, so first up, just go ahead and launch Steam. Once it loads, go ahead over to the top left, click on Steam, click on it. Now go ahead over to settings. Okay. In here, in these tabs, go ahead and find in-game. All right, just click on it. And once done, go ahead and scroll down until you find overlay performance monitor. Okay. It says here the in-game overlay is designed to help you understand your game and PC performance. Okay, so basically it will show up our FPS, CPU, RAM, GPU as well. Okay, you can go ahead and set the toggle from here. Also, where it shows to be any corners of your screen, top left, center, right, top right, bottom right, and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and use top left because I'm kind of used to it. All right. Now, performance details right here, click on the drop down, and here you have multiple options. Like if you just want to show your FPS like you normally would, go and select this one. If not, you have FPS details, right? The average and the max FPS will be shown. FPS details, CPU and GPU utilization right here for the third option. And the last option, we have FPS, CPU, GPU, and RAM full details, as I've said earlier. Okay. So I'm just going to use this one, and then once done, maybe we'll toggle the performance monitor key set. Now go ahead and press the key or key combo you'd like to bind. Okay, so for example, I would like to bind control plus the page up. All right, control plus page up, like so, and then I'm going to hit on confirm. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and hop into a game, maybe Counter-Strike. All right, as you can see here, while loading, we have the FPS, CPU, the GPU, and the RAM. And there you have it. If you want to toggle it off, as you might have remembered, we have entered the keys, control plus page up. As you can see, it's gone. Now to get it back, press the same key, like so. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.